Sunday. Well tried in Jamaica. Congratulations, Bahamas.
Huge lost opportunity.
Yeah. Talk to me though. If team doesn't players are supposed to be a little bit more patient.
No, I don't know that we rushed plays. I just thought defensively we were terrible. We better find a new focus because we certainly didn't have one today. It only gets tougher from here.
I'm thankful for everybody coming out. You know, like, it's our first time playing here, and to see this amount of people coming out to show support, like, we're really grateful for it. It's a tough loss. We got to learn from that. We got a game on Sunday again, so we got to get ready for that one.
Romero, why do you guys feel that you lost this game? Because you seem we were in control at stages.
I feel like a couple of mistakes we made at certain times, you know, like boxing out and stuff like that. And one time we went to like switching defense, and I feel like we didn't see aggressive enough. So I think that kind of like got us a little. Well, this is out of the way now. We just got to have a little talk, and we got a really tough team at Canada coming here on Sunday. So we just got to put this behind us and get ready for Sunday game.
Kofi, talk to us about how you felt about how you took care of the ball today, you guys.
We could have done a way better job. You know, obviously, those guys came out in transition, and that was a good part of their success. We should have taken care of it some more. You know, it's in the game. You know, sometimes the ball goes in, sometimes the ball goes out. Sometimes we make mistakes, but we got to fix it.
And heading into playing a Canada team, your style is slightly different, right? So you clearly would have to adjust for that.
Yeah, that's a whole different scout. We haven't spoken about Canada yet, and we were focused on Bahamas, and then I think tomorrow we're going to start talking about Canada.